graders. They are going to be testing. So today we're going to go ahead and do our pledges. They're live from Mrs. Garcia's kindergarten classroom. And I have a couple of pledges, and their names are... If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and face the American flag as we do our pledge to the United States of America. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic
for which it stands, one nation, under God, with liberty and justice for all. And now our Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas. Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Juro lealtad a la bandera
de los Estados Unidos de América, una república que representa una nación que
dar y justicia para todos. Y ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas, prometo fidelidad a ti.
Texas, un estado bajo Dios indivisible.
Awesome job. If you could please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you so much, Wildcats. You may be seated. Please remember that every student at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel loved and respected at home, on the bus, and during your school day. If at any point you do not feel loved, respected, or honored, please find a trusted adult and let them know how you feel. I was reminded that we did not do our Monday meditation, so let's go ahead and do that. Please sit at your desk as comfortably as you can. Place your hands on your legs. Get your feet as comfortable as you can in your seat. And we're going to go ahead and practice our 5 deep breaths. So go ahead and take in a deep breath. In through your nose. And release. Let's take that second deep breath in through our nose and hold it for a count of 4. And release it. And now let's go ahead and take in our third deep breath, and we're going to hold that one for a count of 3. And when you do, I want you to concentrate on all the great things that you're going to do today and all the things you're going to accomplish and make wonderful. So go ahead and take that in. Big, deep, 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 deep breath. And release. Great job. We do have a couple of birthdays today. Happy birthday in pre-K to Regina J. Also, we are announcements, National Child Abuse Prevention Month. It is also National Library Workers Day. So please, 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 if you see Ms. Souquet or Ms. Leal, give them a big shout out. It is now also National Assistant Principal Week. So please do give our Ms. Zavala a big shout out and tell her thank you for everything she does. We also like to remind you that 4th grade is testing. It is their STAR test in writing. So please be as quiet as possible and adhere to the signs. Also, students, please do not use the main staircase today. You will see a number of people on campus, so please be aware of that. And if you see a big red sign, go ahead and read it and make sure you follow what it says. The character education theme for the month is self-discipline. Our quote of the day comes to us from Benjamin Franklin, and it says, "The person who has self-control is also very powerful." All right, my friends, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday.